Here, most of them get answer 1 for this problem. It is wrong. Let's see. Here, 5 plus 5 is 10. Here, 30 divided by 3 times this 10. This is 30 divided by 3 times 10 is 30. 30 divided by 30 is 1. This is wrong. As per the PEMDAS order of operations, multiplication and division and addition and subtractions. Here, multiplication and divisions are equal priority and addition subtractions are equal priority. We have to follow this for this order, left to right in the problem. Let's see how we can do this in correct way. Now we have to do this bracket first as per the order of operation. Now 30 divided by 3 times 10. Now here division and multiplications both are equal priority. We have to follow this order left to right. So this we have to follow here. 30 divided by 3 is 10 times this 10. So 10 times 10 is 100. Here 100 is correct answer.